Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable caps lock on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. You click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on keyboard here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So then you come here to caps lock. Click in this sign or this color. Sorry. You click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean caps lock disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.